Hello everyone and welcome to Veganise Anything. Today we'll be cooking my favorite rice dish, which can be called, quite simply, yellow rice. Although I prefer to call it the ultimate yellow rice. And you'll soon find out why. So, buckle up, we are about to make yellow the new black. We will start by choosing the right rice, which ideally should be long grain. In our case, basmati, but essentially any rice will do. So, take 1 cup of rice, wash it, and set aside for later. Take a look at all the ingredients we're going to use today. Lemongrass, lime leaves, and turmeric are the main ones for this dish, and we definitely can't do without. But it is, of course, the combination of them all that makes it spectacular. Set the stove to medium heat and add 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Add 4 small sliced shallots, 2 cloves minced garlic. Stir fry both for about 2 minutes. Now add 3 dry chilies, 2 small lemongrass that are bruised and tied into a knot. Stir all for about a minute. Now set the stove to low heat and add 1 cup washed uncooked long grain rice that we prepared earlier. And combine well together. Now it's time to add 4 lime leaves. Follow it by adding 2 bay leaves and stir. Pour in half a liter vegetable broth. Stir, and it's time to get all the spices ready. Start by adding 1½ teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. Stir all together and bring to boil. Add 200 ml coconut cream. And stir again. Set the stove back to low heat, cover and simmer for about 12 minutes to finish the rice off. And that's the main part done. Take a handful of toasted peanuts and crush them or chop them roughly, and we are done. So, let's start serving. We've got 3 different ways how to best serve this dish. We've got a nice little silver pot which we will fill up with our yellow rice. Add some crushed peanuts. sprinkle with some fried shallots, and finally, garnish with saffron. You can also fry some tofu puffs and serve them on the side. And that's our first version done. Now, if you have a banana leaf, the rice can be served directly on it. Not only it makes it look very appealing, but it also adds a punch of authenticity to it. And finally, last but not least, a classic ceramic plate or bowl. You can never go wrong with that. So, repeat the process, dress it up nicely with all the garnish, and enjoy! Okay guys, we've come to an end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed our ultimate yellow rice recipe. You can let us know how it all worked out for you down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with everyone. And as always, don't forget, you can veganize anything. Thank you for watching, I hope it's been helpful, and see you next week.